Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the system cannot find the file specified error in Windows 10. First method, click Start Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Check for updates. Close and restart system. Second method, click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. Fourth method is Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive, Windows. Open Software Distribution folder. Delete all files and folders. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.